sabi nga nila, when you go to a session like this, it's best that you have expectations. Kasi kung ano yung ine-expect mo, yun talaga yung, if you filter ng utak mo, yun yung hahanapin ng utak mo, and you would actually find a solution. So, let's watch this video.
Let me say this. All, what's the word? All. Each and every statement you heard when you were young, every one of those is lodged in your subconscious mind and part of the blueprint that is running your financial life. Let me hear some of the phrases that you heard about money, wealth, success, rich people when you were young. What are some of the ones that you heard? Yes, money doesn't grow on. Yeah, what else? It takes money to. What else? Money doesn't make you happy. Good. Money's the root of all. Okay, we can't. Yeah, there's never any. Rich people are greedy, criminals, crooks. If you know that one really good. Nothing more than a preset pattern. That's all that is. Who can tell me one of the simplest ways to make change? The first way that rich people think quite differently than most poor and middle class people, and when I say poor and middle class, I mean the mentality more than necessarily the result. Of course, it depends on that, yes? All right, so let's go this one. Rich people believe what? I create, one more time, twice as loud. I create my life. And you have to believe that you are the one who creates your success, you are the one who creating your mediocrity, and you are the one creating any financial struggle.
Ayan. Okay ba? Ang ganda ng video, di ba? So, siguro, let's just go through very quickly. Ano yung nakuha nyo dun sa video? Money blueprint. Ako, I'll start. Ang una ko nakuha dun sa sinabi ni T. Harv Eker is inconsistent money. Parang you earn, and then you don't earn, and then you earn. So, at parang sa akin, yun yung napansin ko. And I would love to understand ano yung root cause niya.